PureCycle announced the initial sale of almost 500,000 pounds of resin to Drake Extrusion Incorporated for the manufacturing of continuous filament yarns, which could be utilized in creating items such as upholstery, rugs, and apparel. The agreement comes after Drake successfully produced continuous fiber using a compound that includes PureCycle's Pure 5 resin, made from 100% post-consumer recycled feedstock. This marks a transformative moment for the industry, offering a reliable recycling alternative to virgin polypropylene due to its lightweight, durability, moisture, and chemical resistance properties. Then, Rocket Lab is supporting Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost Mission 1, a lunar lander initiative under NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program. Rocket Lab provided 3 photovoltaic assemblies covering 400 watts of power for the mission, and its staff is assisting with burn control and orbit determination during the operation. The Blue Ghost mission aims to bring tools and technological demos to the moon while aligning with NASA's broader scientific and exploration goals. As for RIVN, it's still holding on to some positive sentiment from 2024, stemming from developments like the closure of a $6.6 billion loan commitment from the Department of Energy's Advanced Technology Vehicle Manufacturing Program, an endorsement from Croatian electric hypercar brand CEO Mate Rimac, and ranking 10th in U.S. EV sales with its R1S model. Despite some challenges, these accomplishments help build RIVN's brand image and set a foundation for future growth as it awaits the production of its R2 model in 2026. In other news, SoundHound introduced an in-vehicle voice commerce platform that enables drivers and passengers to order takeout directly from the car's infotainment system by speaking. The platform will be launched later this year with a partner and will benefit automakers as SoundHound will pay them for generating leads. SoundHound is also partnering with Recur Systems to develop emergency vehicle technology that uses advanced voice and conversational AI. The collaboration will combine SoundHound's voice AI software with Recur's vehicle recognition software, aiming to enhance safety and operational efficiency for law enforcement and first responders by offering hands-free operation of ALPR and other critical vehicle functions. The partnership will begin with police vehicles before expanding to fire trucks and ambulances. Meanwhile, excitement is still lingering around Tempus AI after launching an AI-driven health concierge app called Olivia. The app unifies patients' health data into one platform and leverages advanced AI to provide actionable insights for better management of their health. For more on Tempus AI and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.